What's up, guys? Dylan here, also known as NWR Productions here on YouTube, and I'm coming at you with another video of our first Lionel unboxing video. So let's get into it. Alright, so yeah, this is my first Lionel unboxing video on this channel. I've been a Lionel collector as long as I can remember, and this is one of the new locomotives from the 2023 Volume 1 catalog. So, without further ado, let's get this thing out of the box. I can figure out how to open the box, that is. Oh, okay. No. Get it. I'm doing it. Come on. Come on, you dumb thing. Oh. Okay. This is going to be the most cringy unboxing ever. Alright. Dude. Finally. Okay. That is done. There it is. We got ourselves the brand new Lionel Legacy Santa Fe 484 Northern. And you shall see which one we got. Because it says right here, the Santa Fe Legacy 484 number 2926 Restoration Edition. So this is modeled after the actual 2926, which is operating excursions down in New Mexico. So this is awesome. And this is also our very first Northern in our collection. And if you didn't know, the Northerns are my favorite class of steam locomotive. So, gotta get this thing out. This thing's a beast. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Not gonna be needing that wrapping. Alright, here we go. So, hopefully you guys can see that. Let me just raise the camera up a little bit. And, boom. There she is. So, before we get locomotive out, let's go through some of these extra parts here. We've got some of the extra foam padding. Not sure why that's just sitting there. Oh well. This looks like the little thing that you put the smoke in. The little funnel. Not this funnel, this funnel. Whatever that is. I don't know. I've never used one of these. And then we got extra traction tires for the locomotive. And I'm not exactly sure what this is. If anyone knows down in the comments, please let me know. So, I'm not sure. Please tell me. Alright, and if you didn't know, this locomotive comes with 3 different funnel pieces. So, right now on it is the original, is the normal generic funnel cap, just the short stack. We've got 2 extra ones. We have the extension, the Santa Fe's extension funnel. Right here, if I can get it out of the packaging. There it is. These things look very nice. Yeah, this is a very nice funnel. If someone could tell me down in the comments, I'm not too familiar with why the Santa Fe used extended funnels. Might do some research on that. But this looks very nice. So let's get that back in its bag. And let's grab out the other funnel piece. This will go back in its bag. Thank you very much. All right. There we go. And this is, well, we have the extra scale coupler, or not scale coupler, but the extra coupler, so if you want to run another locomotive in front of it, or you want to do sort of a push-pull system, you've got that funnel. And you've got the third funnel, which is the, not sure what they call this funnel, but basically it blows all the steam directly back and over the cab. Yeah, again, I don't really know why exactly they use these funnels, but probably do some research on that, because I'm sure there's an interesting story behind that, like there is for all railroading. So yeah, So yeah, I just want to, if you're watching this, just want to thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys want more content, more Lionel reviews, because we got more stuff on the way, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment what you would like to see on the channel going as far as like Lionel stuff and model railroading and rail fanning and other stuff. So yeah, so thank you guys. Now let's get out the tender first. That was very loud. Whoops. All right, here we go. Tender. And this is the humongous 8-axle Santa Fe tender. So, and you can see it's got that nice glossy black finish on the real locomotive. So this looks very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and gently get it out. So there we go. There is the tender. And I will remove the foam packaging in a minute after I get the locomotive out. And if you can see, these caps all come up. Most of them do. These on the tender. So yeah, this thing looks very nice. You can see the 2926 on the back. Same thing on the other side, saying Santa Fe 2926. This is an oil burning tender, obviously, because you cannot see the coal load. Santa Fe mostly only used oil burning stuff, especially on the west coast of their division. So let's put this over to the side and grab out the locomotive. That was probably weird, really weird. Sorry. All right, now the main event, the locomotive itself. So before we do anything, we are going to remove these foam paddings from the front and the rear of the locomotive. Looks like the rear one's already out. We'll just stick it where the tender does. Stay there. All right, here we go. Trying very carefully to pull this out. All right. There it is. Brand new Lionel 2926 in the beautiful Restoration Edition. This is an absolutely gorgeous locomotive. So props to Lionel. Trying to fit it all on the camera. It's a very heavy locomotive. I'm going to set it down real quick. Whew, trying to hold that one hand. Sucks. Anyways, so there it is, folks. Brand new. Just a nice overview of it. And now let's take out the foam padding from the locomotive and tender. Just slides right out like that. And then set this guy over here. And then grab our tender. Sorry for all the weird noises. I'm just kneeling down and it kind of hurts because my back is a little bit sore, but that's okay. If I can grab that out. Probably wasn't the most efficient way of grabbing it out, but oh well, I'm not the most efficient person. All right, come on. Okay, getting to be a bum. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. So everything is out, and now that we have everything out, let's go ahead and get this up on the ceiling layout in the garage, and we'll go ahead and run this thing. Just a quick preference before we get it up there. I will be running the standard funnel on the locomotive. Maybe later I'll put one of these other funnels. Yeah, so let's get this thing out to the garage. Alrighty, everyone, we got the locomotive up here on the layout. I just did a quick test run of it. This thing runs superbly. As you can see behind it, we're pulling a lot of holiday themed cars. I believe there's over 30 right now behind it. And on YouTube, I don't see that many creators put long trains behind their locomotives as soon as they get them out of the box. But here at NWR Productions, we do that all the time. So, without further ado, let's start this gorgeous locomotive up. Sorry if the lighting is bad. It's up here on the ceiling, but here we go.
Train 1 brakeman, let's get an application for continuity test. Good application, okay to release. Train 1 brakeman, we have good set, good release, good continuity on timetable train number 1. Over.
That's a roger. Good set, good release, good continuity on timetable train number 1. Out.
Alrighty, so it is already, I love the compressor sound that it makes. Love that sound. And as you can see up here on the roof, we got these vents, so let's open those boys wide open so you can see the crew down the cab. There's our fireman. And there's our engineer. It's at the throttle today. So, without further ado, let's give it a good old whistle blast. Alright, so let's get this thing rolling. Let's get this thing up to track speed.